Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting by opening images. Google.com or the Google app, and you want to save an image fast. Tap the search bar and find the picture you need. Once results load, make sure your browser has storage permission so downloads go into Gallery. If you're signed into Google, saved items can sync across devices, which helps later. Now long press an image thumbnail to reveal save options. This is your first actionable step toward getting the image into your gallery. Once you've long pressed the image, choose Download or Save Image. This writes the file to your device. If resolution matters, open the image in full view, then use the three-dot menu and tap Download to capture the largest available file. Make sure the download path is internal storage or the SD card you prefer, because Gallery scans those folders. After the download completes, swipe down the notifications to confirm success and make sure the file type is. You'll finish by opening your gallery and looking in the Downloads or Pictures folder where the image landed. Once there, you can move it into an album, edit, or share. If you don't see the image, make sure gallery indexing is complete and tap Refresh or restart the app. Sometimes media scans lag. If problems persist, open your file manager to confirm the file exists and that it's a supported format, then clear browser cache and retry downloading. This fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.